In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an app in Quickbase. To start, log into your Quickbase account. As you can see in my example, I currently have only one app in my account. Let's say I want to make a copy of this app. I'll begin by clicking on it, which takes me inside the app. Once inside, look for App Settings at the upper left-hand side of your screen and click on it. This will bring you to the app's settings page. Scroll down this page, and on the right-hand side, you'll find a section called App Management. Click on it. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you locate the option that says Copy App. Click on it once. A new screen will appear where you can enter the details for your new app. Start by giving your new app a name and adding a description if you'd like. Next, you'll see Data Options. The first option is selected by default and will copy all your current app's data into the new copy. If you don't want to copy the existing data, you can choose the second option instead. There's also a setting for roles, allowing you to either keep the same user roles from the original app or adjust them as needed. Once you've configured everything, click on Copy Application. After a moment, you'll see that your new app has been created. If you click into it and look on the left side, you'll notice that all your tables have been copied as well. Because I selected the first data option, all the records were also duplicated into this new app. If I go back to my Quickbase homepage, you'll see both apps listed separately, and that's how you can easily create a copy of an app in Quickbase.